In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson G4500 printer using adjustment programs. Before you download these adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10. In here, you can turn off the Real-Time Protection. Also, make sure the Temper Protection is off also. Then, you can download this resetter, the link on the description. After that, you can just right-click and choose Extract here. Open the resetter folder, right-click in Adjustment Program and choose Run as Administrator. Click Accept for License Agreement and then choose Particular Adjustment Mode in here. Select Wash Inkpad Counter and click OK. Please tick in the 0 column and 8 column, then click button Check. Then you can click button Initialization. You can repeat this last step if you encounter an error. After resetter works, you can click Finish and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn on your printer again after that. That's all.